Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to set PayPal to be your primary payout method. Alright, so if you have PayPal linked to your TikTok account together with other payout methods like Payout and back transfer, and you want to make PayPal to be your primary payout method in this video, so yeah, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now the first step you have to take is to open your TikTok app, and once you open your TikTok app, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, go to settings and privacy and click on balance. Now once you click on that, here you're going to find your total balance on TikTok. Click on the live gifts first of all, then you're going to see your total balance on TikTok. So here's my total balance on TikTok. I have just 1 cent. Now go ahead and click on the withdraw button. After clicking on that, we're going to be directed to this page where we can now set PayPal to be our primary payout method. Now from here you're going to see that the current primary payout method is Payout. Alright, so we can change that by clicking on that, and we'll get the option to set PayPal to be our primary payout method. Now I'm seeing PayPal right here because I've already linked PayPal to this TikTok account. So you have to link it before you can be able to see it there. So just go ahead and choose it. After linking it, just choose PayPal to be your primary payout method, and it's going to appear there at the top. Now you can now withdraw your money through the PayPal. Alright, so guys, this is basically how you can set PayPal to be your primary payout method. Hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.